सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ta'ala ala Muhammad. Dawat Islam is publisher Maktabatul Madina's published book Laws of Salah, consisting of 302 pages, says on page number 246, with reference of Tirmidhi. Sayyidina Buraidah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu states, on the day of Eid al-Fitr, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam would go to offer Eid Salah after eating something, while on Eid al-Adha, he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam would not eat anything unless he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam had offered Eid Salah. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।